Well, the odds of cicada being here in 2016 are +1, -1. The odds in 2017 are -4. Well, guess what? Every 17 years, right there, the odds are 10 greater than any other year. Well, they're here. I live on Forest View. Daisy, stay downstairs. Hi, Rose. Mr. Chase. You coming out, Rose? What are we getting here? Chase actually caught one. There's a cannon. They have giant wings here. They're loud. Not locust. Cicada, not locust. Here. And awesome. It's a sound you only hear once every 17 years. Watch how they get quiet when you walk. We had one in the pool. Here. Now it's all quiet. Losers. He might be gone now. There was one in our pool. He's gone. Here they are. Here they come. Cicada. There's no value to this video except to just give you a little stinking history lesson on cicada. Because I grew up with locusts. Where they leave the shells, they don't.